Hello students, welcome my friend channel. Here I am giving me answers for the multiple choice question practice sets given on my website. Here instead of mentioning direct answers for the questions, answers are made bold. So please mind the font difference to get the answers for the questions. 1. There is no previous article to read. MCQ questions, SYB Comp Business Economics 3, MCQ Set 1 Chapter 1, Introduction to Macroeconomics. Chapter 2, Circular Flow of Income. 1. The following is not a subject matter of macroeconomics. A. National income accounting. B. Laws of demand and supply. C. Business cycle. D. General price level. Answer B. Laws of demand and supply. 2. One of the major assumptions of the classical school is A. Lack of aggregate demand causes and voluntary unemployment. B. Government's fiscal operations can reduce unemployment. C. Unemployment and inflation can exist together. D. Economy will be in full employment equilibrium in the long run. Answer D. Economy will be in full employment equilibrium in the long run. 3. Keynesian theory is not based on which of the following assumptions? A. Supply creates its own demand. B. Markets can fail. C. Government intervention can reduce the impact of recession. D. Aggregate demand determines national output. Answer A. Supply creates its own demand. 4. Which of the following schools of thought in macroeconomics focuses on the role of money supply and central bank? A. Development economics. B. Classical school. C. Monetarism. D. Keynesian school. Answer C. Monetarism. 5. Which branch of macroeconomics specifically focuses on the problems of developing economies? A. Development economics. B. Public finance. C. Monetary economics. D. Trade cycle theory. Answer A. Development economics. 6. Which of the following measurements indicate how national income is distributed? A. GDP. B. GNP. C. Per capita income. D. NNP. Answer C. Per capita income. 7. The phenomenon of stagflation can be explained with which of the following macroeconomic theories? A. Keynesian demand pull theory. B. Supply side cost push theory. C. Classical theory. D. Monetarist theory. Answer B. Supply side cost push theory. 8. Which of the following is not the limitations of the macroeconomics? A. Unable to study aggregate measurements pertaining to an economy. B. Models and theories are abstract and mathematical. C. Does not account for micro-level differences. D. Prescribes policies that are too general to solve specific problems. Answer A. Unable to study aggregate measurements pertaining to an economy. 9. Which of the following type of economy deals with the rest of the world? A. Closed. B. Open. C. Only developed. D. Only developing.
For that, you'll have to turn off airplane mode.
Answer B. Open. 10. Which of the following economy is in equilibrium when investment is equal to saving? Per capita income. 7. The phenomenon of stagflation can be explained with which of the following macroeconomic theories? A. Keynesian demand pull theory. B. Supply side cost push theory. C. Classical theory. D. Monetarist theory. Answer B. Supply side cost push theory. 8. Which of the following is not the limitations of the macroeconomics? A. Unable to study aggregate measurements pertaining to an economy. B. Models and theories are abstract and mathematical. C. Does not account for micro-level differences. D. Prescribes policies that are too general to solve specific problems. Answer A. Unable to study aggregate measurements pertaining to an economy. 9. Which of the following type of economy deals with the rest of the world? A. Closed. B. Open. C. Only developed. D. Only developing. 10. Which of the following economy is in equilibrium when investment is equal to saving? A. Closed. B. Open. C. Developing. D. Developed. Answer A. Closed. 11. In which of the economy the leakages in the form of saving and taxes arise in the circular flow of income? A. 2 sector. B. 3 sector. C. Open. D. 1 sector. Answer B. 3 sector. 12. In a circular flow economy, firms supply A. Labor. B. Goods and services. C. Land. D. Capital. Answer B. Goods and services. 13. In a 3-sector economy, we do not include income expenditure of A. Government. B. External sector. C. Household. D. Firm. Answer B. External sector. 14. The 4-sector circular flow economy does not include A. World economy. B. Financial market. C. Crude oil reserves in oil wells. D. Household. Answer C. Crude oil reserves in oil wells. MCQ for practice from Chapter number 3. Measurement of National Income. SYB Com. Same 3, Chapter 3. K. Choose the correct answer and rewrite the statement. 1. What is the total money value of final goods and services produced within the domestic territory of the country during a given year? A. GDP. B. GNP. C. NI. D. Per capita income. 2. Which of the following measures the real growth of economy? A. GDP at constant prices. B. GDP at current prices. C. NDP at current prices. D. GNI. 3. GNI is an open economy is equal to A. GDP plus XM. B. GDP plus XM plus RP. C. GDP plus RP. 4. Which of the following is not a drawback of GDP? A. Provides an alternative to the conventional measures of national income. B. Cannot measure economic sustainability. C. Difficult to measure natural capital in terms of money. D. Not able to capture the economic welfare aspects of GDP. 5. What is the total money value if the goods and services produced by the nationals during a given year? A. GNI. B. GDP. C. NDP. D. Per capita income. 6. Which of the following will not result in increase in economic welfare when the national income increases? A. Increase in subsidy spending by the government. B. Increased production in the defense sector at the cost of other sector. C. Reduction in price level. D. Rational increase in taxes on the rich. 7. Which of the following is the sum of all income actually received by the people in the country? A. Personal income. B. National income. C. GDP. D. GNI. 8. Which of the following formulas is used to calculate GDP? A. GDP plus net factor income from abroad. B. GDP plus C plus I plus G. C. GDP depreciation. D. GDP net natural capital consumption. 9. Price deflator helps us to work out national income at A. Constant price. B. Current price. C. Future price. D. None of the above. Thank you for watching this video. Students, don't forget to subscribe this channel.